Hey everybody, it's Scott and Uncle Steve with the Knowles Woolsey team at RE/MAX. If you're looking to do the downsize into a condo but not ready for the high-rise lifestyle, we've got a treat for you today.
Guys, we're here at 8 Victoria Street here at the base of Nautica condominiums. We've got just under 1,400 square feet of luxury finishes in this upscale town. Come on inside and have a look. There's three things I know you're gonna love. We've got 10-foot ceilings here, we've got an open concept design, and we've got 2 premium parking spots right off your back door.
This two-story design offers a ton of privacy on the second level. You got 2 large bedrooms, a full bath, and a versatile den. Check it out. Not only are we only 2 minutes to Centennial Beach and all of downtown Barrie, you get full access to Nautica's building amenities here.
So if you're not ready to give up the deck, what a better spot to sit back, relax, and unwind than 400 square feet of terrace area.
For more information on this listing and others like it, check out our website.